Ever found yourself juggling streaming accounts, trying to remember who's logged in where, and wishing there was a simpler way? Especially when it comes to a platform like Neon, with its awesome range of movies, shows, and live sports, that question of how many people can actually use this thing at once probably pops into your head quite a bit, right? Well, you're not alone. It's a super common query, and understanding the ins and outs of Neon's multi-user capabilities can save you a lot of potential frustration and maybe even a few arguments over who gets to watch what and when. So, let's dive straight into it. The answer to how many accounts can use Neon really boils down to the number of concurrent streams allowed under a single subscription. Think of it like this: your Neon subscription acts as a master key, unlocking access to all that content. But just like a physical key might only open one door at a time, your Neon subscription has a limit on how many doors, or streams, can be opened simultaneously. Generally speaking, and this is the key point, a standard Neon subscription in many regions typically allows for 2 simultaneous streams. What does that actually mean in practical terms? It means that at any given moment, you can have 2 different devices streaming content from your Neon account at the same time. For example, you could be watching a movie on your smart TV in the living room, while someone else in your household is catching up on their favorite series on a tablet in another room. Or perhaps you're on your laptop enjoying a live sports event while your partner is watching a film on their phone during their commute. This 2-stream limit is pretty standard across many streaming platforms. It's a balance between allowing families and households to enjoy the service on multiple devices and managing the overall usage and potential for account sharing outside of a single household. Now, it's worth noting that while the number of simultaneous streams is usually capped at 2, the number of devices you can register or log into your Neon account is often much higher. You might be able to have your Neon account logged in on your smart TV, your laptop, 2 smartphones, and a gaming console, for instance. However, only 2 of these devices can be actively streaming content at the same time. This flexibility in registered devices is handy because it allows different members of your household to easily access Neon on their preferred devices without constantly having to log in and out. It's all about convenience. You just need to be mindful of that 2-stream limit when multiple people want to watch something at the same time. So, to recap, the general rule of thumb is 2 simultaneous streams per Neon subscription. This lets 2 people enjoy different content at the same time on different devices that are logged into the same account. While you can register multiple devices, only 2 can be actively streaming at any one moment. Keep this in mind when planning your next family movie night or when multiple big sporting events are happening simultaneously. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.